Hello and good morning guys. This video is designed regarding duct cleaning machine. Today we are going to discuss about efficient, effective and safe duct cleaning solutions. If we are going to discuss about any machine, then some of the questions should be arise in our mind. So that's why first of all we should know about this duct cleaning machine. What is duct cleaning machine? A duct cleaning machine is very important tools in HVAC department guys, which is used to clean and remove dust and contaminants, bacteria or insects, etc. from HVAC ducts. Now the second question should be arise in our mind that what is the purpose of this machine? So now we will discuss about the purpose of this duct cleaning machine. Dirty ducts can increase electricity bills by up to 20%. So we can save energy consumption by using this duct cleaning machine up to 20%. And second one is we can enhance indoor air quality by using this duct cleaning machine. Third one is contaminated and dust-full ducts can reduce HVAC system life. So that's why it's very important in our HVAC department. Now guys, we will discuss about the third question. What are the benefits of this duct cleaning machine? There is some benefits of this duct cleaning machine. We will discuss one by one. The first benefit of this duct cleaning machine, if we can clean ducts by rotary brush for effective cleaning to increase the lifespan of HVAC units. And second one is we can watch also the dust cleaning inside HVAC ducts before and after duct cleaning projects by HD camera. The third benefit is that we can reduce unpleasant smell by using this duct cleaning machine. And now guys, we will discuss the last part of this question session. What are the main parts of this duct cleaning machine? The first part is air compressor, and the second part is wheel pipe, and the third part is brush. There is so many types of brush according to duct size. And the fourth part is heavy vacuum. The fifth part is suction flexible, and the sixth part is discharge flexible, and the seventh part is HD camera with display. And by this camera we can see inside the ducts. So now we are going to clean HVAC ducts by this duct cleaning machine practically, and we will show you how to use this duct cleaning machine practically on our HVAC units. So let's come and we will show practically. So now our team members are preparing and connecting this duct cleaning machine to clean our HVAC ducts. And now you can see this is the brush according to the duct size. And now here you can see the moving brush with high pressure will go inside the ducts and clean inside the HVAC ducts. And now here duct cleaning work has started. Now you can see this is air compressor, and this pipe is connected with wheel pipe, and this wheel pipe with moving brush is going inside the HVAC ducts. And this soft brush will move with pressure inside the ducts and remove all dust. This is vacuum machine. It has two flexible ducts. One flexible will be connected between ducts and vacuum machine to suck all the dust, and other flexible will go to outer area you can see in this video to discharge the dust, and these dust will be filtered inside the vacuum. And one thing I want to say, it should be noted HVAC ducts should be cleaned at least once a year because we care and think about your health. And now you can see this camera by which we can see inside the ducts on our display. Change the angle.
Yeah, just change now.
ऐसा ही
Perfect.
ऐसे रख बस।
पीछे घुमाओ नहीं, बस आगे पीछे करो बस।
आगे करिया, बस ठीक है। करिया। ओके, बैठ ले आओ ना आस्ता आस्ता। ले आ बैठ ले आ।